Hey everyone, welcome back to Sanketik live classes. In the previous class, we successfully ran out our first Pytest test. In today's session, we will understand how Pytest decides whether a test is pass or fail. Whether a test is pass or fail. Okay, so uh, here printing output in second. Yeah. Printing output does not mean testing. Okay. In automation testing, the most important question is how to validate the result. How do we validate the result? For this, we use something called an assertion. Something called an assertion. An assertion checks a condition. If the condition is true, the test passes. If the condition is false, then the test fails. Okay, now let's test this one. Okay, for understanding that, I'm going to write a function. Def means defining a function. For that, def test underscore. Here the real test starts. Addition underscore pass. Next, asset 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Okay. See what I written here. Uh, First of all, asset, right? So you know about this. It is nothing but a defining function. Test will start here, and addition underscore pass. Pass means if it test is true, then it will pass. Okay. So here asset is used to check a condition, and 2 plus 3 equal to 5. It is an boolean expression. It is an boolean expression, and if the result is true, if 2 plus 3 equal to 5, then it will show as a test passed. Okay, so let's test this one. Now I'm going to save, and by using by using command prompt, I am going to validate this one. Here my test is saved here. Okay, in this folder. From this folder, I am going to open cmd. See, now I am going to run our pytest. See, one passed in 0.02 seconds. Okay, this is the passed test case. If the condition is true, then it will show like that. Okay, now let's consider a failed test case. How can we validate a failed test case? For that, here I am going to change our input, like instead of pass, I am going to write like fail. Okay, next here, instead of 5 is true condition, but I am giving 6. 6 is failed condition, because 2 plus 3 equal to 6 is not correct. It is not equal to 6. Okay, now I am going to save this one. Now, as per the given input, PyTest marks the test as a failed. So here I am going to run the same command prompt. Same command. See, it is failed. Okay, because the condition is not true. This is how automation finds bugs. Okay, this is how automation finds bugs. Let's write the notes for this. Okay, this is our previous class notes. So here, from here, I'm going to write our notes, right? Validation. Validating automation script. How we can evaluate? By using assertions. Okay, next. What is assertion? It is used to validate expected result. We use it to validate expected result. Syntax here, I'm going to provide the syntax. Syntax for this is, one second. In syntax, we will use assertion condition, okay, or assert condition, you can say. Okay. Then, for example, what we have given the same here. For pass and fail, you can change the input. Okay. For pass condition, you can here write here pass and then here 5. Okay. For assert here, we need to give one tab. Then only indentation will be correct. Okay. And the how we can validate this one? By using pass and fail, right? For pass, what is the pass condition? If the condition is true, condition is true. Next, fail. Condition is false. Fail. Okay. Mm. Here, what things we need to important here, what are the things we need to remember is printing is not testing. Okay. Printing is means whatever we give, it will print according to you, but that is not a uh, validation of the test. second point here is that assertion decides test result, whether the test is passed or not. Test result. Okay. So this is about assertions. So assertions are the heart of automation testing. In the next class, we will see the multiple assertions and variable inside a test. Okay. Practice today's examples and observe the pass and fail carefully. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Mm, if you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you in next class.